Hello, I'm Steve Maskery and welcome to Workshop Essentials. If I appear to look smug, it's because I am. I've just finished the biggest project that I've done for many years, and it's this wardrobe. It's meant to look as if it could have been designed by Charles Rennie Mackintosh, because I've included these, what I think are lovely motifs of squares, which he did a lot of. These black motifs are made of bog oak. These trees grew 6,000 years ago in the fens of England. And when they eventually come out of the ground, this is what they look like. And the coloured stuff is abalone shell. Well, it's not real abalone shell. No abalones were harmed in the making of this wardrobe, but it's the same kind of stuff that they make guitar picks out of. It's made up in several sections. There is an adjustable plinth base, so I can get it level even though the floor in this room is not level. There are 3 carcasses, all made out of MDF screwed together, but you can't see the screws because they're all on faces that are hidden. I have got shelves on the right. I've got double shirt hanging in the middle, and I've got long hanging over here. The doors are veneered in oak. I've got quarter sawn oak on the front, and I've got crown cut oak on the inside. And around the top, there is a dentil crown moulding. It's been quite a long project because there have been issues along the way that I've had to work around. So if you'd like to see how I went about making this and how I overcame all these hurdles, then why not sign up, join me on YouTube, and we can go through the whole project from beginning to end together. Thank you for watching. I'll see you down in the workshop. Cheerio.